Today on the Roadhouse pressure sending unit for a Nissan Titan. Let's get it done. Today we're fixing the oil pressure sending unit on a 2004 Nissan Titan. And what I'll do is I'll start it up and I'll show you. And where this is, if you're having it where it's going all the way to high, just like that, you've got the same issue I do. Your oil pressure sending unit is bad and it's time to replace it. First thing you gotta do is take off the skid plate. Okay, what you're looking for is right behind this little hose, and that's it right there. And this wire connects to it. Take a flat blade screwdriver, depress right here, and it lifts right out. What I had to do out here was I went ahead and removed this hose right here. It's a lot easier to work with. I had to pinch it off so it wouldn't leak any antifreeze, and it still did. So use 5/16 wrench on it. Couldn't get a socket in there. Took a while. Was able to do it, no biggie. Now for the moment of truth right here. There we go. Good oil pressure. I want to thank everybody for watching today. Subscribe, like, comment down below. This is the old one right here. As always, if you ride her hard, don't put her away wet.